This is the assembly process of the EcoCut Laparoscopic Resposable Scissor System. First thing you're going to do is find and open the package with the EcoCut shaft. It is a single peel pack. There's a second bag that holds the cone and a tip protector on the distal edge of the scissor. You want to leave this on until the process is finished of assembling the instrument. This is the reusable EcoCut handle. The first thing that you want to do is open the handle to expose the slot for the ball of the shaft. At that point, you're going to take the ball of the shaft and just drop it right into the slot and close the handle of the scissor. That'll lock it in place temporarily, allow you to release this hand and screw on the cone. To make sure that the blade's fully open and the blade's fully closed. At that point, it's ready to present to the field. To disassemble the EcoCut system, at the end of the procedure, you're going to hold the shaft and then remove the cone by unscrewing it, get it out of the way, and then open the scissor handles. That'll allow you to release the ball from the socket. This portion of the instrument is single use and will be discarded, and then your reusable handle will be returned to the set for reprocessing and sterilization.